what are you doing?
Get in cover. The enemy could be anywhere.
Alright, first of all, it's not even that serious, man.
Soldier, get down before you get shot.
You're telling me that I'm supposed to be scared of getting shot by this?
Listen, if you don't get down, you're gonna get us both killed. Now get down on the ground and get in cover. Listen, stop overreacting. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay? Chill. There's nothing going on, okay?
Alright, since you're not working, I'm gonna have to call on someone else then.
Alright, see right there. Look. That's not even a radio. That's not a walkie-talkie. That's a deodorant stick. You expect me to believe that any of this is real? We are in our 20s playing with Nerf guns. How childish can we be? Listen to me, man. You have to trust me on this one. The enemy can be out there anywhere, watching our every move. We have to be prepared and ready. Where? I can explain the entire thing. You just have to trust me.
You want me to trust you?
This is more real than you think it is, okay?
Listen, we're playing with Nerf guns.
Listen, man. I don't know how to tell you this. This isn't your ordinary Nerf, okay? This is...
Alright then. As for you, any last words? Yeah, I got a few. First of all, I like to say bravo. That was a pretty good act, if I must say so myself. Alright? He did a little too much on the death, but whatever. It is what it is. And also secondly, once again, these are just toys. Like, I don't understand. All this is fake. None of this is real. And you're just being a bunch of kids right now.
Oh. So you think this is fake?
Actually, yes. Because if I look right here, it says toys. It says literal toys. How am I supposed to take any of this seriously? But you know what? I just want to go home. I don't want to be here no more. I just want to play the PS5. And y'all just out here playing War, Call of Duty. Alright, you got me. Alright, that hurt a little bit. Not even gonna lie about that.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
What the hell?
Oh, my dear boy. You must not know.
This is real extreme Nerf!
No! No!
Only the real survive. None of that kitty stuff. We use the real Nerf.
I'm sorry. Now, do you have any last words?
I'm sorry. I'll take it back. You win. You win. It's real. It's real.
Please.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
What's going on? I'm so confused. I'm so confused.
Hit it.